So after 3 attempts of trying to get my carousel mold, my horses in the trim to be red, I decided, and it not coming out right, I decided that I was going to do a test run and put different colors into this mold and see which one would give me the red effect. So I tried some newer colors that I hadn't tried yet. And I put the mica powder into the mold the same way that I would put it into the carousel mold. And so I did this in a few different ones. So I will speed up this process for you. So now that I've colored in everything, as you can see, they have mostly pinks and some reds, and I have like orangey colors. I am going to mix some resin with some black resin paste for the ones that the colors I haven't tried. I have tried some of these colors already, and I'm going to use the acrylic black paint in the ones that I've already tried on the carousel. So I'm going to see if that makes a difference. But the ones that I haven't made yet with the colors, I'm going to use the black resin paste. So let's find out if this is going to make a difference. So now that all of them are filled, we're going to leave them overnight. So now we are back, and let's see what kind of colors we have. And you see some of these colors that I put in there were pink colors, red colors, orangey red, stuff close to red, but some of these are coming out like that one is gold. The oval one looks blue almost. They have purple. It's definitely not any of the colors that I am looking for, except these two. This one looks like it could be a red color, which is actually the purple red that I've been using. And that one doesn't even look in the family. But this one is the purple red with the acrylic paint. So maybe the acrylic paint will work better by leaving that the redder hue of the color. And then, so this one could work. That one was with the acrylic paint. I don't know, it's so hard. And this one was the orange, and it actually looks like it could be red. So I have to remember this is the acrylic with the purple red, and then this one was the resin paste with orange, and it looks like it could be red. So I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna paint the horses and the trim orange, and then I'm gonna use the resin paste. So here I have 2 cups of clear resin, and I had been using the resin paste for the carousels, so I am going to use the resin paste, sorry, and also you can use acrylic paint. So I'm going to use a black acrylic paint, and you don't need much of either one of them. And I'm going to use the black acrylic paint in the ones that I've already done to see if maybe the black acrylic paint will do different than the resin paste. So the colors that I haven't tried yet, I'm going to use the resin paste in. So we'll see if this experiment comes out where one of them is actually red. So we shall see. Stay tuned. A day later, I am pulling them out, and let's see what we have. I really do like the colors that came out, but it's crazy because I used the majority of the colors I used were like a pinkish color, a reddish color, pinkish color, something to that effect, and they all came out purple. I have that one gold one. This has been really weird. So I think these two that I have in my hand, this one was the same color I had been using. It's the purple red. And so I don't know why this one's not purple, but when I put it in the carousel mold, it turns purple. And I used the acrylic paint, so maybe that might make a difference. So I will try that purple red with the acrylic paint. And this one was orange, and it seems like the other one is a little bit more red than this one. Oops. So this one looks like it's pretty red. So I am going to try the orange color with the resin paste. So hopefully that works. And if it doesn't, then I will try the purple red and the black acrylic.